The choice you can have here is unbelievable. We have colors in blue, we have colors in violet, we have translucent colors inside the system, which is really unique. My name is Tommy. I have a small lab in southwest part of Germany with 12 amazing employees. For me, my experience with HeraCeram is 25 years, 25, 30 years. I'm working with this amazing material, and I was always impressed from the light dynamic of this material, and still it's like this. My favorite colors, I think number one, aubergine. I love this color, it gives me the depth, and it's very nice. Staining is for me not just a little bit color on the ground and then that's it, no. The details, the contrast, the different colors in the incisal area. This is so important, and we can do great things. The main challenge in doing bleach is natural. To be a little bit natural. The bleach is a white, but it should not be a bathtub. It should be a lovely white, a natural white, and this is possible with the system. This is possible to give a little bit life to the ground, to the bleach. I know there are many materials on the market, but right now with creactive 2D and creactive 3D, it's a game changer.